In this part we have to calculate the value of C. So to find that, we need to ensure that the probability density function integrates 2 over 1. Integrates to over, or we can say to 1 over its entire range. Now moving further, applying this concept, the given range of integration is given in the question, which is from 0 to infinity c e to the power, or we can say c x e to the power minus ax dx, which is equals to 1, or it should be equal to 1. The integral can be solved using the integration by parts. So after solving this by integration by parts, the value of c will be 1 upon 8 square. So here we can see the value of c will be 1 upon a square. So this is the answer of the given equation.